Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to contact Spotify. So let's get started. At first, let's go to any browser and search for spotify.com. So now here in the top right corner, we can see the setting icon. So let's tap on this and click on support. Now search for contact. Here we can see an option called Contact Us, so let's tap on this and we can find various contacts. For Spotify community, we can tap on this. If you want to tweet them, you can tap on this option, and if you want a direct message, you can tap on this Spotify Cares, and if you want to direct message in Facebook, this is the page, and if you want to send message or feedback, you can tap on this one. And if you are an artist and need help, you can tap on this one. So this is it. This is how you can contact Spotify. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.